And if you're thinking about adding a new pet to your family, consider going to a shelter. Many times your new best friend is just waiting to be adopted. Something you've heard before, but probably not from filmmakers. Local 8 News reporter Michelle Silva now showing us the volunteer spirit going into a documentary about homeless pets.
This is Carmela. This is Daisy Mae.
These are just two of the pets at Young Williams Animal Center looking for a permanent home.
You gonna pose for them?
Meanwhile, these two filmmakers are looking for a permanent solution.
What we see very commonly in the South are overcrowded shelters with super high euthanization rates.
Michael Samstag and Josh Gildry are taking a break from their paid jobs.
I do anything from, well, documentaries to commercials to industrials.
Working on feature films, I worked on the first 3 Harry Potter movies.
Instead, they're using their passion for pets and volunteer spirit to produce a documentary called A Southern Fix.
Investigating and hoping to find the answers to the overpopulation problem of our adoptable shelter animals.
They're traveling to several states, visiting several shelters.
Draw the line from Tennessee to Florida to New York City and then back again.
And while the documentary won't be finished until June,
The simplest, most readily at hand answer is adopt, don't shop.
and they've done the math.
If 20% of the folks that go to puppy mills, that go to Pet Plus, that go to pet stores and buy, if they were simply just to adopt, just to come to a place like Young Williams, come to one of your shelters throughout the country, adopt, it would take care of the problem.
And you're going to save all the lives that are in these shelters throughout the United States. That'd be incredible.
In Knoxville, Michelle Silva, VLT Local 8 News.
And for more information on A Southern Fix, their volunteer spirit, and the documentary, visit local8now.com. And in case you're wondering, the filmmakers themselves have rescue pets that they own and foster.